Oh wait, I forgot to click a button here. Let me click this. The subtitles. All right, get the subtitles going. All right, we're making a new thing. Something that I wanted to do. I know we were all about like coding and things like that, and coding on the channel, which we'll probably still do some of that. I wanted to add a new thing, a new segment into the content that we're working on, and it's the tech news. It's the tech news. There's a little more to it. I want to describe some details about it. I want to start defining. Hey, how's it going over there? Hey, is it Kyle? Wait, Kyle, how's it going? Kyle, good to see you. Saw your GitHub over there. You said a link. It was actually kind of neat to annotate the entire internet. Like put comments on anything, including any HTML element. That was really neat. That's a great idea. It has come around before in the past, and there are existing apps. I don't know if they're still around. Are they still around? I don't know. I don't know if they're still around or not. Though you might be doing it the right way this time. You might actually be able to build it to where it takes off. Right? You might be able to make it take off. That would be really powerful. It would be a way to revitalize the web, because right now, I'll look into it. Nice. Keep going. Don't stop. It's all about the persistence. It's all about persistence. You got to keep going. Hey, Kevin McAllister, you're back. Hey, how are you doing? Last time you said you're like, hey, I'm in the hospital. Sorry, got to go. What happened? Are you okay? Is everything good? I hope you're okay. Hope all things are good. I hope you are okay. Hey, Quantified Quantum, good to see you. Happy Friday. I'm really excited. I woke up this morning. I'm like, I know what we got to do. I know exactly what we got to do. We have to change it. We have to make some changes here. I was focusing on like coding and other things like that. Rust, which wasn't all, I mean, it is a great language. It just doesn't seem to be widely prevalent to be interested as a topic to be discussing live on the internet. You're stable now, Calvin McAllister. You're stable. All right, now you're recovering. Nice. Still recovering. Well, keep on that journey. Keep going. Hope everything's okay. Oh, thank you for asking. I was going to message you soon. Nice. Very nice. Well, it's good to have you here. We're working on a new thing. I'm actually really excited about this because we've been doing code. Python and AI has been really trendy. I've seen the numbers. I'm looking at the analytics and stats. Everyone is very interested in AI and Python, which also I am. It's like where my heart is. I also want to try something else. I want to try sort of a high production. Hey, Ashford, you're back too? All right, good to see you. Welcome in and happy Friday. We're changing some things up. So I want to create a highly produced tech news segment on this channel. I think it'll be really neat. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and also add interactivity, like have the audience work with, like, you know, we'll do like Q&A type situations. It'll be more entertaining than what I'm describing. Don't worry. I've also have like it'll highly produced. So introductions to each segment, right? So, you know, we've got the Hacker News segment here. We'll do Hacker News. We'll do tech memes, some leak code problems. I'm also, we could like do product hunt of the day. We could do a product hunt of the day segment right there. That'd be neat. Oh, sounds good. Yeah, doesn't it? I think it sounds pretty great. I'm actually really excited about it. And so we'll like have real news. So for example, Cloudflare, apparently there's something else that happened again on Cloudflare. Wouldn't that be great to be discussing that live on stream? What are you doing today? We're making new plans. So I've got my text editor up. We're going to be focusing on a new tech news segment that we're going to be trying. I'm really excited about. You're here now at the very beginning. So I think it's going to be pretty great. Highly produced, going to have music. I already have some songs going for the tech intro that I wrote using my voice. And then you can use Suno to remix it. You can remix it. So here, and I'll show you. I don't know if I can show you right here. Let me see here real quick. All right. Do I have it up over here? Here we go. Let me see if I can pull this in for us. All right. Let me bring this over here. All right. So this is here. All right. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but this is my voice. This is me. All right. So there's me. So I'm not going to play it all because it's a little embarrassing. How's it going? Show YouTube 4000. How's it going? Can we code together to find the endpoint? You mean the exit, the universal exit? It's everywhere. It's all over the place. So here I've got the song here. And I took my voice and it made it into a tech news intro. And I'm really excited about it. We're going to have a tech news intro. I hope you guys can hear that because it's going to be a thing. And we're going to have different segments and it'll be interactive. So you'll have to be on your game. You'll type into the chat. You're so positive. I like that. Nice. Hey, Somalia, good to see ya. Happy Friday. Bro, how can he hack NASA? Oh wait, are you Steve 12? Are you Steve 12? Are you Steve? Oh, I know it. Should he? I'm really excited about this. And then I'll like wear like some like, you know, nice shirt or something. I'll wear like a nice shirt. I think it'll be exciting. Ooh, the production quality is going up. That's right. We're going to make it. We're going to do it. That's what we're going to do. I hate when the project is using bleeding edge tech, but it setup files don't use setup. Oh, wait, what? Oh, quantified quantum. Are you talking about like different Python? Very nice music. All right, great. I'm glad you guys can hear it. This will be the intro. This will be the intro to the tech news. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be great. And so the music is a bit too loud compared to you, though. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll have to turn it down. I'll have to turn it down. Don't worry. I'll have to turn it down. I can do that. I can do that. Don't worry. So let's see here. Let me pop this over here. So we'll record my voice. So we'll record my voice doing this. We'll be talking about these things. So let me see here. Let's see. No fluff. And then let's do this period and disagree or wrong. Right? Because Hacker News, right? Hacker News is the best thing ever on the internet. There's never been anything better than Hacker News. I don't know if you've ever tried to submit news articles on Hacker News, but they are sure quick to shadow ban you. Yeah, sure quick to shadow ban you. Voice? Oh, yeah, no worries. I got you. I figured it out. Hoo-hoo. The tech news. Let's go, right? I know. I'm very excited. I think this will be great. So we're going to have different segments. We're going to have Hacker News. We're going to do a tech meme of the day. Let's see. Of the day and then of the day as well, right? We'll do a leak code problem of the day, and it will be like an easy one. And we might have like a couple. We'll probably like do a couple each of these segments. And we'll have like a without context segment. So it'll just be like random, right? We'll have a random one. I think this will be great. Without context, right? With the TH. There you go. Hello, how's it going, Subhunter? Good to see you. Last attack. Hey, have you seen the Samsung trifold? Yeah, the Apple's losing the race to trifold. Okay, so that's also what we have to do is tech gadgets, right? The tech gadget segment. Tech gadgets. There we go. We'll do tech gadgets. Oh, and then of course we have cat. We'll have the cat. We'll call it cat. We'll call it a cat segment because the internet. Am I visible? Yes, you are. Somalia, you are visible. I see you. Bro, I have DDO script. You do? Careful with those DDO scripts. Obviously, you can. Not all of them are created the same. I know how to make a really good one. Now, if you want a really good one, I know how to make a really good one. Bro, how are you doing? I'm doing good. We're doing good. We're getting ready for a new tech format on this channel. We're doing a new tech format. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be. We're going to have different segments. You're here right now at the very beginning. You're at the very beginning. So you get to see it being created. And there will be like pretty graphics, great introductions, video, sound effects, all the stuff, all the things. It's going to be amazing. I'm super excited about it. All right, let's see here. So so I think this is a pretty good introduction segment. So we need like cat will probably be here in the middle, right? Because you need something that's a little bit easier, right? Something like that. Bro, how you been doing? Oh, wait. Shout out, please. Shout out Sub Hujit. Sub Hujit. I don't know how to say your name. Shouting you out. All right. So we've got tech gadgets. What other segments could we have? I think this is a pretty good rack. And then each of these will have interactive. So I'll describe the news article. We'll see what's going on. And then everyone on chat will have to answer like a quiz, and there'll be scores. Right, so how the game part works. Okay, so game definition. So each segment, each player can answer in chat as many times as they want, right? And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you get a whole bunch of wrong answers. If you get one right answer, you get the score. You score the point. So first few correct answers get most points. And then people who, if you score afterward, each segment, after each, bro, do you know about the attack on cloud? It's creating duplicate. Duplicate? What's a duplicate file? Dude, what's a duplicate file? Is that a word? Did you say that correctly? Dude, that is my job because I have the latest DDoS script. Oh, hey, all right, so you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. I still could not join your Discord. I've been looking for your Vim configs all my life. Would you please just give me the Vim configs on GitHub? Sure. All right, I will. Let me see here. Let me see if I can click the buttons here. Let me reload that really quick. Let's see here. All right, 1 second. Enroll vertical. Ooh, okay. Apply now. I'll deal with that later. Okay, let me see. You're on the vertical. Let me see if I can type you the chat. All right, where is it at? Here. All right, so let me pull it up. Thank you for the likes, you guys. I'm going to send them to you right now. I got inspired by your videos and intercepted my neighbor's Wi-Fi. Hey, did you really? It's fun there for a 4-way handshake concept. Nice. Good job, Somalia. That's a challenge. Just get booted up. Let me find it here. View my gists. I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna look for it really quick. Vim files. I found it. Vim files. All right. Here you go. I'm gonna paste it to you. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm sending it over. I'm sending it over here. Here you go. All right. Boom. There you go. I sure hope that was the right link. Yeah, there you go. That's my vimrc file. It's a very simple vimrc file. You probably don't want my tmux file because it's all my own. Hey, how's it going, SAQ3000? Good to see you. Okay. All right. We're all up to speed here. We're all up to speed. All right. I give my Discord. Can you check, by the way? I'm cybersecurity. You're on Discord? I gave my Discord. You can check. Okay. Are you on Discord here? Let's see here. All right. Sounds good. All right. So thank you so much. Saved my life. All right. Love these configs. Hey, there you go. I know, bro. I can't open your GitHub. Wait, you can't open it? Our GitHub. What do you mean? It's right there. Is that not good? Wait, it should be fine. It should be fine. I mean, you're in cybersecurity, more specifically ethical hacking. That's what it is. I like how positive you are. Nice. I'm really excited about today. We're getting things going. This is I've been wanting to do. We tried this actually. We did this maybe 2 months ago. We did the game show. And I want to sort of pivot just a smidge over to tech news, and we will do interactive chat. So everyone on stream, you're on stream right now. You're live. You'll be able to see who listen to the news, and you get to learn the news, and at the same time we'll have like quiz questions. We'll have quiz questions to see how good you are at remembering or if you've seen it or not. So we'll have quiz questions, things like that. So each player can answer in chat as many times as they want. First few correct answers get the most points. Everyone with a correct answer gets some points. Perfect. All right, I think that's like the general answer, the general gist. Then I need to define a GUI. So I'm going to create a user interface where it's going to be, over here, right? Over here or up here, wherever it is, wherever stream you're currently on, you'll be able to see it. So I will have an introduction. So we need to make some intro videos. We need to do segment intro videos and then also some background music when it happens. Some background music. There you go. I would think that would be the way to go. All right. So we need a to-do list. All right. So let's see. To-do list. All right. So we need to do intro music. We need background music. We also need the game. We need the control dashboard. We need the chat interception. We need to have the OBS plugin, right? So we can show it to you on stream for score overlay and the segments. I don't know, screens. I don't know how we're gonna do that. We need something here. We need something here. I don't know what it is. We need something. Overlay. There we go. We need to do this in Nim. Yeah. And Vim. Yeah, it's going to be in Vim. Don't worry. I know you mean Nim the language, right? Why do you make your videos members only? Well, the members only videos are actually just edited videos of the live recordings. So if you want the VODs are always there. The VODs are live forever. So you could just watch the VODs, or the edited videos are just the specific topics. Hey, how's it going, Eddie Legendary? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're working on getting our new idea. We're changing it up. We're changing it up just a smidgen. We're changing it up in Vim, right? NeoVim, Nim and NeoVim all on the same. We can do it. You can do it. How's it going, Swabber? How's it going, Swabber 2? Happy Friday. We're making some changes. All right, so we get the OBA plugins. We get the chat interception, which will use PN to transmit chat to my local server. And then the interface will show, the game plugin for OBS will show who got it right and who got it wrong. And you guys will just have to, happy Friday, bro. Nice. Thank you. Happy Friday. All right. So we're making our way. We're making our way, you guys. The segments are awesome. It will really make a stream great and interactive. I'm super stoked. Me too, Kyle. I'm so excited. We tried this, right? I mentioned we tried it a couple months ago and it worked out really well. I liked it a lot. It worked out really well. And now let's take it all the way. Let's not go like part way. Let's not go part way. Let's go all the way. Let's go all the way. Oh, Torv, are you here? I thought you meant NVim, not the programming language. Yeah, I know, right? SAQ 3000. NIM is an actual programming language. It's like kind of like Python, and it has this performance speed of like C or near C, right? Kind of like Rust-like. All right, so hacker news, tech meme of the day, leak code problem of the day, easy problem. So it'd be something like this. Watch this. Like, what is this? What is the answer to 7 mod 4, right? What is the answer to 7 mod 4? And then you guys would type. Well, I don't know what you'd type. What did you type? You'd figure it out. You'd probably like open up a quick little terminal window, right? You'd go like this. All right, Python. And you go to 7 mod 4. Boom. All right, it's 3. And you guys would type in 3 in the chat. You type in 3, right? That would be the answer. It'd be like 3. Boom. You type in 3 like that. Okay, Doki is dedicated to you. All right. I like Python for cybersecurity. Me too. Hi there, Steven. I'm on the... Okay, you're in the bathroom, Brandon. All right, sounds good. You never heard about... Okay, we're good to go. You should try Blender on stream sometime. Blender, like the 3D editor. Are you talking about the 3D editor? We might be able to do that. So then we'll also do things like what is 100 divided with //15, right? What does that equal, right? And then you guys would type in the chat 6, whatever that is, right? You type in 6. I think it worked. 3, Kevin McAllister, you got it. You got it. Exactly. And so that's what we would do. So I also need to record my voice here. Let me see. I need to record my voice on this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use Suno to remix it. We'll use Suno to remix it, and it will like up the production quality dramatically. That's what we're going to do. That's the plan. That's the plan, you guys. We're going to up the quality. You can program Blender in Python too. Really? I didn't know that. I didn't know Blender supported Python. That's neat. Python's everywhere, you guys. Python is amazing. Python is so great. All right, let's see here. Let's bop over here. Close that really quick. Okay. I want to bring this back over here. All right. I want to see him design the dashboard. Yes. There we go. Yeah. So there's going to be a dashboard where I can control. It'll be out of sight. So I've got like this other window off the screen. You can't see it, but it's right here. And I'll be able to control everything from there. And then OBS will have an overlay. We'll do an OBS plugin. The plugin will display whatever like segment we're currently on. We also need background music. All right. So we added that in. All right. So background music during the segments. Here we go. During segments. There we go. Background music during segments. Perfect. Control dashboard. We're going to make it work. It's going to be great. Are you going to make a script and make AI version of your voice? Read it out. Yeah. Basically what we're going to do is, this is kind of, I don't know if you knew this, Kevin McAllister, but you can record your voice. You can record a song. You can record yourself making noises, and then you can have Suno remix it. So that way it sounds like a studio quality repeat. You're a script kiddie or professional? I am technically supposed to be a professional, although I still count it. I copy paste everything. So script kiddie, but I've written real code that's been distributed and globally distributed across the entire planet on all of Amazon's availability zones to connect my company to a communication technology, right? So if you didn't know about this is my company right here. We have got 1 billion connected devices already. We do things like multiplayer games, collaborative experiences, on-demand delivery, right? Many of you already know about this. Internet of Things. And we've got a lot of customers. We're very big now. We keep growing. It's just awesome. Things are happening great. It's great to see all the progress we're making. Print Hello World. You could totally do that. You could print Hello World. Oh, I'll do it for you. I'll do that for you. All right. Let me bring this up really quick. Here we go. All right. Just for you over there. Shoot YouTube. All right. Print Hello World. There you go. Print Hello World. You got it. There you go. Stephen, take a look at my comment about Customer Tinker. Wait. What do you mean Customer Tinker? Did I see it? Wait, Custom Tinker? What is that? Did I see it? Oh, a Custom Tinker seems simple and powerful. UI to be more to. Oh, okay. So let's Google that real quick. I don't know what that is. What is that? You said Custom TKN Tinker, like that. Python desktop user interface library based on Tinctor. Okay. All right. I didn't know about this. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at that. All right. This might be a pretty neat idea. This could be a dashboard right here. This absolutely could be a dashboard. Let me think about that. 11 Labs is amazing for voice cloning, is it? Yeah, I've tried it. It actually works really well. I've used it for AI voice, and it's high quality. Nice. Me too. I've tried cloning my voice, and it works really well. It's like, is that me? Oh my, that sounds like it's me. It really sounds like MC. Which is your main language? English. PubNub is his company. It's sockets without using IP addresses. You got it. You got it exactly. Kevin McAllister knows what's happening here. Kevin McAllister knows. Oh, snap. That's pretty. Isn't it? It looks great. I like this. I think it's great. Let's zoom in on this, right? This is fantastic. All sorts of things in here. Radio buttons, checkmarks, buttons, drop-down menus, toggles, tabs, other buttons, drop-down menus. This is awesome. This is great. Yeah, exactly. All right. So let's get some work done. Steven, save that module for later. Okay. I'll save it for later. I will save it for later. You can make if and else. Can you make if else? Yeah, sure. If SHEOYT 4000 equals I don't know is I've got an idea. Wait, I was in Vim. I was in Vim mode. I was trying to do Vim keystrokes. We'll do length. We'll do length like this, right? All right. So len over there greater than equal to 10. There we go. Then we will print. There we go. Print. We'll print you. We'll put SHEOYT 4000. That's what we'll do, with a capital version. All right. That should work. There you go. If statement. Is there anything else you want? What are you building today? Oh, we're building a new. We're making a change, you guys. It's change. Kareem, a new thing. We're doing a new thing. You're right. We're changing it up. I think so. We've done a whole bunch. Here's what we've done over the last few months. We've done coding. We've done lots of coding on channel, live coding. We've made our own AI deep neural network framework from scratch, live on stream, which was great. It was a lot of fun using Python and NumPy. We've used PyTorch. We've built a game, which we still need to deploy in the App Store, which we will. We've built Rust. We started a cryptocurrency, right? Our own from scratch, our very own cryptocurrency from scratch. We've done so many things. And now the most popular was Python and AI. So my heart's definitely still there. I want to try out. We've also done a game. We did a game live on stream, and I want to make it good. I want to make it high production quality. That's what we're going to do. Voice cloning is kind of scary, isn't it? You got to be careful. Because it could be danger zone. You could get tricked really easily. All right, tech of the day, cat. We'll have a cat segment. All right, so I need to record my voice on this right here, and we're going to convert it into a high production quality something. No, like programming language. Oh, programming language. Lots of them. I know a lot of many programming languages. So Rust, Python, JavaScript are the best. A SQL, even though it's a DSL, like it's a domain-specific language, so you kind of can count SQL, right? You can type that into Linux. No, that looks like a fork bomb. Type this into your Linux shell. Yeah, no, that looks like a fork bomb or something. Make it possible to hack Facebook. Make the brute force method, not cracking, but rather targeting random passwords. Is it possible? It is, although two-factor kind of gets in the way with that these days. So, are you gonna sing? No, I'm just gonna speak naturally. Is what I'm gonna do. Maybe a little bit of singing. How I'm speaking right now is exactly how I'm gonna read this. All right, let's bring this up. All right, QuickTime. We're gonna record. We're gonna record here. File new audio recording. Here we go. New audio recording right here. All right, let's get to it. All right, so maybe you can speak in ASMR, like really quietly for you guys. Speak really quietly, but loudly. Bro, it's my third year of computer science subjects. Nice. You're on the way. All right, keep going. Don't stop. All right. Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator. Clean signal, no fluff engineering for people who actually ship code. Here's the part that stings. This is the best source. I don't want to wait. Start over. I want to say something. This is too direct. It's got to be indirect. It's got to be, because Hacker News is the best technology ever, right? It's the best talk. See, here's the best part. Here's the part that's the best. The best. This is the best source. This is the news source. This is the news source. Period. That everyone's better. Disagree, you're wrong. Orange nose. The orange nose, you don't. Right, Culminator? Think your link is news? Ha. All right, perfect. All right, we're gonna do it. We'll start recording. All right. Where is it at? Here we go. Let's bring this up. What is the command? It is shift Option N. All right, so let's stop this. Let's delete that. Delete it. It's gone. Shift Command New. Perfect. There we go. We're gonna try again. Jesus loves you. All right. There you go. It sounds good. So it was a bomb. Is it a bomb? It was. Yeah, it was a bomb. Wow. Do you know brute force? Of course. Who doesn't know brute force? It's like the easiest. You do a for loop, right? You do a for loop. Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator. Clean signals, no fluff, engineered for the people who actually ship code. Here's the part that's the best. This is the news source, period. Better than everyone, better than Reddit. Disagree, you're wrong. The orange nose. You don't think your link is news? You think your link is news? Ha! The one moderator that's on Hacker News right now, they'll vaporize it before your coffee. And that's no problem. Everything else is background static. This is the feed. You're welcome. Hacker News is the best. No one better than Hacker News. All right, there. See, now what we're going to do is we're going to take that recording and we're going to shove it into Suno and it's going to make it different. As we're going to shove it. Hey, bye. Cool. See you, Eddie. Have a good weekend. Have yourself a good weekend. All right, I'm going to save that now. Let's save that as Hacker News intro source. We'll save that to the source. All right. And then where is this over here? Okay. We're going to move that over here. We're going to put this into the right folder. Where's Hacker News source? Right here. Perfect. Go back to, there we go. Wait. Okay. Projects and then tech news. Paste it in here. All right, now let's go on Suno. Let's go on Suno and convert it. We'll convert it into a song. That's what we're going to do now. All right, where did I put that? I put that over here. Here we go. All right, so let's do an upload. How do we do this? Is there a so this is the part. Let's see. How do we? Let's see here. This one. All right, so this is the one I did earlier today. Let's go into, how do I upload? Go home. Maybe not there. Let's go back over here. Now we need to upload. Now we get hacking isn't about code. Once you understand, you're a real hacker. Is it? If you let's see here. Now we are going to, where is the upload button? Edit song, reset all, my workspace, save as a new song. I'm just getting used to this. I'm not used to this at all. Edit in studio. How do we get this? Where's the upload button? I want to be done with this segment here. Create. What is this? Create. What does that do? Oh, this create. So is there a way to custom? This is like if you're having the AI doing everything from scratch. I want it to remix it. So I just did this. I literally just did this. Where is this at? If anyone knows, let me know. If anyone knows. Okay, so studio view, theme manager description. Nope. Is there a studio button? Radio, search, library. Here we go. All right, library. Is there an upload? Upload audio. Here we go. Upload. All right. Tech news. All right, the Hacker News intro source. Perfect. All right. Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator. Clean signals, no fluff, engineered for the people who actually ship code. That's the one. You guys. Mr. Robot, full series 10 times to understand what's happening. Yeah, Mr. Robot is great. They're actually legitimate. They even have Kali Linux in it. Like if you look on the computers in Mr. Robot, it's Kali. Hey, Drawing Brothers, what are you doing today? We're all right. Save that. 1 second. We're gonna cover this. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna make a cover. It's gonna be neat. 1 second. I'll be right back. All right. What are we doing today, Drawing Brothers? We are changing the format. So we've got a new plan. You're here at the very beginning. I'm in Mr. Robot. They had puzzles that the viewers can solve too. Did they, Kevin McAllister? I didn't know. So they're like hidden puzzles that they're like, because I know they showed some stuff on the code. I didn't know. But that is neat. I didn't know about that. Like hidden puzzles for solving. That actually is a really good idea. That's a really good idea. And you go to jail for 10 years, and then the fun begins. Yeah, exactly. The fun in quote marks. Fun in air quotes, you guys. Fun in air quotes. All right. So now we uploaded it. Hacker News source. All right. So I want to edit this maybe. Can we edit it? All right. And then I want to. So I'm new at this. I want it to remix. So loading edit session. Is it okay? This looks good. Good. Is this right? Okay. So click replace. Okay. So here I don't know how this works. So I want to, this needs to be upbeat. So what do you call it? Haughty, Haughty, right? Upbeat, haughty voice, technical, nerdy sound, and the best ever, right? The best ever. Nobody is better. Nobody's better. My professor says you're not a hacker when you're using hacking software tools. We all call you a hacker when you will have information on the system level, right? So if you go to the system level, that makes a lot of sense. That makes quite a bit of sense, actually. All right, so, that's some leftover Rust stuff from previous stream. Yeah, Kevin McAllister, nice. Because I have researched more deeply about tracking systems that police said, even networking. Yeah, so you can get deep into the computer world, especially the networking layer. There's a lot of things that you can do. Did you know that you're transmitting all sorts of free open clear things? You thought you were secure on the internet? Did you think you were secure? Nope. You're not secure. Well, mostly you are. Don't get me wrong. Though you're not hiding. Everyone knows exactly what you're doing. Let's see here. Intro. All right. So is this? So is it all fully highlighted here? Okay. So let's click. There isn't what is it? Reset styles here. Reset. What is that? No. Okay. Haughty. Nobody. Isn't there a magic wand? Where's the magic wand at? I want the magic wand. Where did that happen? Okay. Let's see here. Upbeat, haughty voice, technical, nerdy sound, the best ever, nobody better. My news source is the best. Okay, I think we're gonna try that. Let's see what that gets. All right, I'm gonna click the replace button. Let's see if that works. I don't know. So that takes my voice, my lyrics that I just spoke, and it converts it into maybe some music. Whoa, you're using live here. How's it going? Wait, you're live here. Yeah, we are. MD, how's it going? Good to see you, MD. I gave it trying my Wi-Fi hacking tool, the real world, because I don't want to waste 7 years in jail. Drawing Brothers. Yeah, I know, right? It's because most of the world, they don't understand the technology underlying, especially even now with the AIs who are making knowledge less valuable, which is going to... You guys are the last of your kind. You guys right now who are software engineers, you're the last of your kind. Going forward, it's going to be very rare for there to be a software engineer who knows the deep knowledge or understanding of systems that you guys will. Due to AI, we're going to see that knowledge is going to be relied on with the AI. You don't need to learn anything anymore. You just ask the computer to do it for you. If you do something criminal, you pay the price. You got it. You pay the price. I'm actually kind of curious. Is this good? Is it going?
Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator Clean Signals, no fluff, engineered for the people who actually ship code. Here's the part that's the best. This is the news source, period. Better than everyone, better than Reddit. Disagree, you're wrong. The orange nose. You don't think think your link is news? You think your link is news? Ha! The one moderator that's on Hacker News right now, they'll vaporize it before your coffee, and that's no problem. Everything else is background static. This is the feed, you're welcome. Hacker News is the best. No one better than Hacker News.
All right, we did a new introduction for our segment on Hacker News. That was pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted. Isn't that great? All right, so now we've got 2 segment introductions. We got to keep going. How's your focus change from YouTube to other platforms? Did something change? I woke up this morning and I'm like, I wanted to do the thing that I planned on doing all along. When I started live streaming just several months ago, I was like, this is the thing I wanted to do. And then all of a sudden we started coding. We started software engineering. We did Python. We did Rust. We did a whole bunch of other things. And it was great. And I had a lot of fun. And then it's like, wait, hold on a second. Let's get back to the thing that we always wanted to do in the first place. That's way too long of a jingle. Hey, it's all good because we got to fill up an hour. Cool jingle, isn't it? I think it's pretty good. All right, let's listen to. They always make two. Let's listen to the second one.
Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator Clean Signals. No fluff. Engineered for the people who actually ship code. Here's the part that's the best. This is the news source, period. Better than everyone. Better than Reddit. Disagree. You're wrong.
Oh, it broke. We broke it. Something happened. All right. So obviously we can't do that one. Where did it go? Oh no, is it? Oh, see. Let's see if we can open up my library. Is there a library here? Let's see. Library. All right. This should be here. Hacker News. So this is the source that I uploaded. Where's the remix? Where's the remix? Oh no. We'll have to go back to the live stream and cut it out, I think. We'll have to go back to the live stream and cut it out because that's the only place it is. It's gone. It deleted or something. Welcome to Hacker News from what? See, that's me. That's me. My edits. Is this over here? Oh, okay, good. All right, we didn't lose it. We're fine. English, please. Yes, please, English. I still think AI is not good for me. That's just the tool for me instead of Googling or documenting. Writer, I hate writing documentation. Hey, Drawing Brothers, have the AI do it for you, right? Exactly. There's no need to write a README anymore. You have the AI do it for you. Speech Hunch, let's see here. Definitely the first one feels like a commercial for the radio from Grand Theft Auto Vice City, right? Kyle, oh, I can't wait for GTA 6. I'm so excited for it. Pay for what? That's the problem. Super intelligence. AIs will take out the actual programmers first. I know, right? Sean Eric, you're right. We got to be careful. All right. So which one was the one that do we listen to this one or the other one? Let's see.
Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator. Edit disagree. Engineered for the people who actually. Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator Clean Signals. No fluff. Engineered for the people who actually ship code. Here's the part that's the best. This is the news source, period. Better than everyone. Better than Reddit. Disagree. You're wrong. The orange nose. You don't think you like. Think your link is news. You link is news. Ha! The water moderator that's on Hacker News right now. They'll vaporize it before your coffee, and that's no problem. Everything else is background static. This is the feed. You're welcome. Hacker News is the best. No one better than Hacker News.
Perfect. All right, great. We've got a couple of options. Excellent. All right, I need to download these just in case. All right, just in case they disappear. How do we download these? And then I'll remix them. The introduction is a little bit too much chat, like too much text. Violation of using technology for criminal attention. Yeah, I know. You gotta be careful. All right, here. Dora the Explorer. I know. It's pretty much Dora the Explorer, right? No. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna grab that one and that one. I'm gonna download those. All right, let me see. Download to. We'll do a MP3. We'll do MP3. All right, MP3 there. We'll go over here and we'll download this one as well. Download that to MP3. Perfect. And then let me bring that up over here. I'm going to bring it into my, let's see, a new window. Oh, yep. All right. So, okay. Where is that at? Did it go to downloads folder? Oh, here it is. All right. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Copy. Paste that in. Paste that in there. Okay. So this will be Hacker News Intro 1. Hacker News here, so you guys can see what I'm doing over here. All right, there we go. Hacker News Intro 01, and then we'll grab this, and this will be 02. All right, perfect. There we go. All right, now we got to do another one. Let's see. We got to do more. You guys. All right, so everything else is hey, how's it going, Wadham? Hey, Wadham, good to see you. Happy Friday. Welcome on in. Let's see. There is. All right, so that was great. I'm happy about that. So that's the segment. And then, so we're going to find, what we also need to do is create, we're going to have an AI that will be able to collect all of the current news articles, read them, create sort of like I don't know, a teleprompter or something for me so I can read it and then I can understand what's going on. And I'll give commentary and then we'll have quizzes or something. We'll have something entertaining where everyone can chat back in and then all those things. So that's what each of these segments will be about. And then we need a cat segment and a couple other things. Let's see. What are we doing on time? All right. We're doing okay on time. We've still got 20 minutes. Maybe we could start making the dashboard. We might be able to start making the dashboard. Let's see here. So I want to, 1 second. Okay. 1 second. I'm going to pull this over here so you guys can't see. All right. Source. Excellent. One moment. We're doing. That's a problem. Let's see. All right. Well, 1 second. Okay. All right, that works. I think that's fine. I think that's fine. All right, let's see if I can do that. All right, perfect. I must have already done it before we started. I must have already got it started here. All right, so bring that back over there. All right, so let's define what that's going to look like. Let's define the dashboard. So we also need to collect all the chats. My clock always says we have 20 minutes left. I know, right? Kevin McAllister? Always 20 minutes. What coding language do you use to make the live transcripts? This is JavaScript, and it's live. MCO, Den, McDin is over here. Check this out. McDin. All right, so it's a spoken NPM. This is on NPM. Here's the package. I wonder who wrote this package. I wonder who wrote that package right there. I wonder who that is right there. Who's that guy? I don't know who this guy is right here. Who made this? Coding with Rust, you guys. So it's available. It's called Spoken NPM. And then that's just the base package. So if you want to do Twitch, OBS, subtitles, Stephen LB, you probably, right here. Here you go. It's an open source available to you for free, right? They're for free. And you get these beautiful, pretty good subtitles that work. And their subtitles, they're not closed captions, they're open captions. So you just gotta be just with the understanding, right? They're all called they're open captions, you guys. So it's just look on the internet, you'll find it. And this is what it looks like right here. You can grab that for free forever. Free forever. All right, so I want to, let's define, all right, so we did this, we succeeded, this is done. We could put like a green check mark here. I'll do a check mark, perfect, check mark, done, we did it. So that was the Hacker News intro. All right, so we can just jump that to the bottom. All right, so this will be the dashboard. It needs to be, how do we want to do this? All right, so we need to control for segment. Maybe I'm trying to figure out how much control do we want to give? Let's see here. Systems thinking, reverse engineering, persuasive eloquence, real hacker. Yeah, persuasive eloquence. Social engineering, the best way. It was, if you watch Mr. Robot, that was like the most common tactic they took in Mr. Robot. They took social engineering to the max. They took it to the maximum. All right, so let's say print, just because. We'll say Kevin McCallister, Kevin McAllister, and we'll also say print UNIQUEUX slash, there we go. Just for the fun of it. Oh, MC Din, I have made the same thing, but with Chrome live transcriptions feature. Really? Yeah, but Chrome had too much delay for you? It has too much delay, yeah. This is instantaneous. It's like nearly instantaneous, right? Instantaneous. It's really good. All right, so let's see. So we need to control on the dashboard. We need to control the music. Actually, I don't want that much level of control. I want to control the segments plus mute. So like on a more granular level. So imagine I'm able to progress or change between segments, and then each segment will have subsections to cover different news articles or different leak code problems, whatever we're going to do, like little mini things, right? Little mini things, like easy. Oh, we also want some pop culture news, right? Just to, definitely some AI news. We can't do without that. So like 8 AI news, and then 9 pop culture news. Yep, pop culture news, and then we need something else because we can't end on 9. We have to end on 10. I guess we could do new. This is a TBD. This is a TBD here, right? TBD. You got to figure that out. We got to figure that one out, and it's become local large language model prompt and thinking view from now on. You can't unknow it now. It's too late. It's basically it's too late, right? Kyle. So print. See, KYLE. There we go. Got print Kyle there on the screen. Printed Kyle. Yeah, Mom made it. You did it. You made it in the Steven terminal. Exactly, made it to Steven's terminal. That was funny. Thank you, Kevin McAllister. Simple tool engineering, spinning up AP and then DNS spoofing. Yep, you can absolutely do that. There's all these fun attack vectors, aren't there? So many attack vectors. All right, dashboard, and then we need the OBS plugin, and it's going to display scores. We also need to display for the current segment. And I think we're going to keep it really simple like that. Or in the segment intro, right? So we need segment and segment intro. Segment/segment intro. Perfect. I think then we also need a systems that, so like maybe the dashboard will also calculate scores and keep record across sessions. So we also want a dashboard that's going to collect all the scores and we also need one more thing. The dashboard should also intercept live chat. Okay, intercept live chat. There we go. We got to do that to get the answers. So that way, you guys are here right now. You'll be able to answer during the quiz sections. Let's see. So let's do a test run. Let's go to, where is that? Like news. This one right here. Let's go. So this is like the top news sources, right? Cloudflare outage right here. All right. So we'll like click that, and then we'll do something like, okay, on December 5th, which happens to be today at all, this morning, a portion of Cloudflare's network began to experience significant failures. The incident was resolved within 25 minutes, which is way too long. That's way too long for such a big. And after they said, hey, we promise we're not going to go down again, right? That's what they said. We promise we're not going down again. A subset of customers were impacted, accounting approximately 28% of all the internet traffic served by Cloudflare. Several factors needed to combine for a individual customer to be affected, to be described below. Okay, so you had to be a certain category of customer for it to work. And then what we would do is, see, it says like, well, there's something like some simple like, what does HTTP 500 stand for, right? What is 500? And then what you'd probably do is HTTP 500 status code, and I would ask chat that, and then everyone in chat would say internal server error or something like that. And then if you were close and you got it right, then and whoever was first would win. Then you guys would win. You would get a point. So that's how that would work. So that would be like the run through of each of these segments, and we'd kind of walk through more of the details. And we'd go for another quiz question, and then I'd be like, okay, you guys answer this. What is this? And then I would like set it up. So the thing is, what I want to do is I want to set it up ahead of time so that way everything's taken care of for me. Or we could just do it right there live on stream, and I could just dynamically decide before. Okay, so actually I'm kind of curious what happened. So this is a huge number of errors right here. All of a sudden, error 500 errors with a 25 megabytes of 25 million requests. Okay, so you can't see it very well, but 25 million requests per second is where Cloudflare was having an issue. Let's see here. Take a look at Pingochi, for example. What is that? In fact, 2025 Glow Up update allows most of all Raspberry 5 models internal Wi-Fi card to have monitor mode. Oh, by Kali Linux officially. Nice. Okay, so you can use a Raspberry Pi to start intercepting things. You can intercept things. You could probably use a quiz app so people can answer live. Yep, there you go. It'll show up on your screen. There you go. Kevin McAllister, it's exactly what we're going to build. You got it. We're going to build that. It's going to show up live on the screen, and we'll like switch back and forth to it. And we'll do things like that. I think that'll be the plan. So maybe we'll like pop back over, and then I'll like have like a quiz. So I'm still trying to figure it out. Because I want it to be as automatic as possible, so that way, we can keep like the momentum going. That's kind of what I want to do. Got to keep the momentum going. All right, so we got 12 minutes left, you guys. We got 12 minutes. 12 minutes left, and then I got to get going for other things. But you know what? We've got plenty of time to keep on going here. Oh, cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's exactly. We're gonna build that. We're gonna build the quiz app. We're gonna make it, and we need to have like quiz sound effects. All right, so that's something else we got to add in to do. See, let's do this. 3 quiz sound effects, right? So that way, everyone knows what's going on. So that way, it's all entertaining and exciting. Increment. Okay, so intro music to each segment and to the entire thing. Background music during the segments. Quiz sound. All right, so we also need quiz music and sound effects with a countdown. With countdown timer, right? So then We'll have like countdown timer there. Control dashboard controls it all. Chat interception, OBS plugin for the overlay, and then each of our segments. I think we made a lot of progress. All right, let me see here. Let's go over here. All right, get init. All right, get add. Wait, oh, sorry. Vi.get ignore. Gotta spell that right. And then we want to grab this right here. Paste that in. Yeah, right, because we don't want those. Get status, get add. Rip chat. Oh wait, yeah, I know, right? We were talking there. I got focused on building stuff. I got focused on building. All right, so let's see here. Get status, get commit -am. All right, initial music and ideas in the readme MD file. Perfect. There we go. Hey, thumbs up, 10 jewels. How's it going? Samar, thank you. Thank you for the 10 jewels. That was totally unexpected. Thank you so much. That's really great. I don't know why you had to do that. That was a good happy Friday. It was a happy Friday. A good gesture for happy Friday. GitHub. We're going to create a new repository. Thank you again, Samar. That's a really popular. So this is tech dash news. All right. Is that how you? Yeah. Okay. We gotta do like tech news. You gotta spell things correctly. Want to make sure it's spelled properly. There we go. Tech news. All right. Perfect. Is this? Yes. Okay. TECH news. All right. Steven over here. So I'm making a new repo, guys. I'm making a new repo. All right. The tech news on Steven LB channel. Okay. Perfect. We did it. All right. So let me create that. Okay. We're making progress, you guys. We're making progress. And then I'm going to existing repository. Existing repo. There we go. Existing repository. Oh, thank you, Ivy. Thank you, Ivy, for the love. That's really nice for you to say. Thank you so much for the love. He maybe, I don't know, maybe not for me. I don't know. For everyone, right? Maybe for everyone. All right. So let's see here. I think we're good to go. So we need to, let's see. So the control that, let's do a thing real quick. Yes, for everyone. Yeah, for everyone. You got it. All right. So let's do a thing real quick. I want to intercept chat. So we can do that by doing this. Okay. So let's do this real quick over here. Bring this here. Actually, let me bring that back really quick. Does that look good? Yes, it does. Okay. What is it called? Dash. See. All right. Perfect. Okay. Clicking in. Got it. Wait, what do you got? Hey, what are you printing? Why are you printing me? I know, right? Kyle, you just noticed that just now? We did that a while ago. We did a smidgen a while ago. Okay, so I want to go chat box. Here we go. Chat box. Copy the URL. All right, let's launch that. Okay. Let's see here. Copy that. Paste it. Okay. So we need, is that, oh, it is. That's going to work. Okay. So let's do test. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Let me do network. Okay. I need to see what this looks like really quick. Test. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you. That's helping a lot. Because what we're doing is let's see here. I've got this window over here. So you can see right here, this little window, and we're investigating some stuff. We're seeing what that looks like. Just so you know, coming back for Judgment Day. Oh no, you gotta be prepared and spread the gospel. Tell your friends. Tell everyone. I know, right? You gotta be. It's scary. You gotta be ready. All right. So this is now. I want to. So we're investigating to see how we can snag on to these messages here. Let's see here. Let's see. All fetch. Is it over this one? Is it this one? Is it this? Okay, let me click on this. Preview. Response. Oh, okay. So let me see here. Interesting. This doesn't allow you to something your brain. Wait. Oh, yes. Okay. Or church. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Because there's reasons and things that we gotta talk about. All right. So we got 6 minutes left, and I think we made a lot of good progress today on this new project idea. I will need to jump to start doing some other things. Although I think what we could do is I could probably I really want to grab this. What we could do is we can find an open source pre-existing chat aggregator, so that way we can get all the chats. This one, I can't quite tell. It appears, almost forgotten the American. Oh, it is. Yeah, you're right. The Pope is American. I forgot about that too. I forgot, which is not expected, right? Because it's Italy, right? Isn't it Italy? I'm pretty sure it's Italy. Am I saying it wrong? Isn't that where you'd think it would always be an Italian person there? Let's see here. Ping, positive, ping, ping. Sound, okay. Over here. Preview, response. Okay. Let's see. I need to reload that. All right, I'm just looking. I'm looking. We're technically hacking right now. I'm technically hacking. I'm Monopoly type, isn't it? Oh, Monopoly. You mean Monopoly or Monopoly? I mean, technically it is a Monopoly, right? Religion as a Monopoly. It is. It absolutely is. Because there's just the one. It's just, well, I mean, there's a lot. I was wrong about that. There's many. There's so many out there. I can't say there's just the one, but there is the one Pope, though. There's the one Pope. All right, so I think we're mostly good to go here. I want, though, to see all of this. Where is this? Log, global, config. Okay, themes, cheer. All right, I'm trying to find where the stuff comes in. I need to find where the data comes from so I can snag it myself. I need to grab it. I need to grab that. Okay. We'll have to dig into this further later. So I'm right now I'm looking at I'm reading through the source here. So this is it. This is okay. I got it. Okay. So we're gonna have to look through this a little bit more later. We'll have to look through it more later because I think we're good to go. I think we achieved a pretty good start. So this is going to be a major aspect to the stream. We need to be able to capture this. These parts are easy. We can take care of those, no problem. This is the one that's still the one that we have to figure out right now. Worst case, I'll make a plugin that is on top of the plugin that captures all the elements, right? So I could do this, right? So let's see here. So you see here, you've got SAQ 3000. You see your chat message right here. So it shows up right here in this. Is it in an iframe? No. Okay, good. No, it's not. So all you have to do is I can just watch and monitor this div right here, which is the log, I guess. It's the log. All right, and watch out, Mr. Robot again. Nice. Mr. Robot's a really great show. It's absolutely worthwhile. It's really worthwhile. So we see your chat message showing up here. So where is that? So yeah, it pops open here. And what we can do is we can just inspect this. And then we'll have like a viewer that's watching it. And then we'll be good to go. I think that's it. That's all we need. That's all we need, you guys. Okay, so seems good to me. No, yeah, that's good enough. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, you guys, we're about to head out. Oh, Kyle. Okay, don't approve of random thought on promotions. Yes, exactly. Charge situations where affect people differently. I know, it's like one of the common topics that I try to avoid myself. I try to avoid it because it's everyone's got their own. They've got their own, They've got their own way. All right, you guys, we're pretty much done for today. We achieved what we wanted to. I think we did pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with where we're at. And but my plan is I want to work on this over the weekend. So you guys got the early sneak peek. People have their own fears and worries. They sure do, don't they? They sure do. I'm really excited about this. We're going to be building. It'll be tech oriented, software engineering oriented, news focused. With every single style science needs to be solved. To be solved. Yeah, exactly. Be solved. With stream, sorry. Oh, no worries. Hey, it's all good. We're good. All good to go. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining. We're 1 minute left, though. I know, right? We got 1 minute. How'd you know it was 1 minute? Yeah, we got this. 40 seconds. It's 40 seconds. Let's see here. We're quick. Okay, looking good. And then I will head out because I got other businessy things to take care of. It was really fun to chat with all you today. Had a lot of fun. Let's play this. Let's play the intro song one more time because you guys are hearing it. Set up timer. I know, right? It would be good to have a timer. Hey, Mohammed, how's it going? Welcome on over there in the horizontal stream. Good to see you. All right, so let's see here. Let's see here. 20 minutes left. I know, right, Kevin McAllister? I wanted to play that song real quick. All right, so let's see. Here's the new introduction. I do believe here. It was fun today. Yeah, it was fun today. I'm so excited, you guys. This is going to be great. We're going to have a new, hello, Indian. Good to see you. We're going to have a new show starting. We're just going to be excited. Here's the introduction to the song. Great use of my new watch. There you go. There you go. You did a good job. You figured it out. 1 minute left. You're right. So going forward, when we get the chance, we'll be doing tech news. And this will be the introduction, you guys. We'll have a whole bunch of other songs. It'll be like high quality, high production. It'll be the way. It's the new way forward. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I don't know. I think it's going to be great. So we need to do a whole bunch of things, you guys. So much things to do. It's great to have you all here today. We'll be back. Time's over. I know, it's done. We did it. We succeeded in our goal, you guys. It was great to have you all here today. Thank you so much. We'll be back on Monday, and we'll be doing probably some tech news. Not the whole thing. It is a whole new adventure, though. Yeah, it is a whole new adventure. We'll be there. See ya. Cool, guys. Thank you so much. We'll be back next week. Good to see you. This is AI generated. It is. It is, but it came from my voice. Here's my voice. Yeah. See? And then we converted it. Welcome to Hacker News from Y Combinator. And right, we did some and we converted it, right? We converted it into did a remix. We did the remix. Oh, right. Okay, so there's a problem with these downloads, these MP3s. Okay. I know. Okay. We got to fix that. Okay. I already committed it to get. Oh no. Oh, it's weirdly awesome, isn't it? I think it's pretty neat. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out today. We'll be back on Monday. It was good to see you. I'm clicking the stop stream button. We're actually going now this time. We're going this time. See you guys on Monday.